Figure X above is a pyramid with a rectangular base of 4 centimeters by 3 centimeters, a height of 8 centimeters, and a slanted height of 10 centimeters. Calculate the surface area and the volume of figure X above. A pyramid which has a rectangular base, any two opposite triangular faces are always the same. For us to calculate the surface area of this pyramid, we are simply going to take the area of the rectangular base plus the area of the 4 triangular faces. Take solution. The surface area of the pyramid is simply equal to area of the rectangular base plus area of the 4 triangular faces. Such the triangular faces, they are triangles, so we are going to make use of the formula for calculating the area of a triangle. This will simply be equal to the area of the rectangular base is simply given by the length times the width, that is 4 centimeters times 3 centimeters, plus we need the area of the 4 triangular faces. Remember, for the triangular faces, any two opposite triangular faces are equal. This will simply be, we're going to take 2 times, for the triangles on length, the area is given by a half times the base, which is the length 4 centimeters, times the slanted height. The slanted height is 10 centimeters, plus the area of the triangles on the width. We have a half times the base is the width, which is 3 centimeters, times the height, which is the slanted height, which is 10 centimeters. This will simply be equal to 4 centimeters times 3 centimeters gives us 12 centimeters squared, plus 2 times a half times 4 centimeters gives us 2 centimeters. 2 centimeters times 10 centimeters gives us 20 centimeters squared, plus a half times 3 centimeters gives us 3 over 2 centimeters. 3 over 2 centimeters times 10 centimeters. 2 will go into 10 5 times. We'll be left with 3 centimeters times 5 centimeters, which is 15 centimeters squared. This will be equal to 12 centimeters squared plus 2 times 20 centimeters squared plus 15 centimeters squared gives us 35 centimeters squared. This will be equal to 12 centimeters squared plus 2 times 35 centimeters squared gives us 70 centimeters squared. This will be equal to 12 centimeters squared plus 70 centimeters squared gives us 82 centimeters squared. This is the surface area of the pyramid. Next, we have to calculate the volume of the pyramid is simply equal to, we are going to take 1/3 times the area of base, that is a rectangular base, times the height. This is the formula we make use of when calculating the volume of a pyramid. This will simply be equal to 1/3 times the area of the base is simply 4 centimeters times 3 centimeters, which is 12 centimeters squared, times the height in the base to the vertex of the pyramid, which is 8 centimeters. This will simply be equal to 12 centimeters squared here can be written as 12 centimeters squared over 1. 8 centimeters can be written as 8 centimeters over 1. Performing simplifications, 3 will go here 1, 3 will go into 12, 4 times. We'll be left with 4 centimeters squared times 8 centimeters. And this will simply be equal to 32 centimeters cubed. Centimeters squared times centimeters gives us centimeters cubed, which is the unit of volume. Remember, area is measured in units squared, while volume is measured in units cubed. We are done with the solution of the exercise. This is how we calculate the surface area and the volume of any given pyramid. If in case you have any questions, you feel free to leave your questions at the comment section. Please, you like the video, share and subscribe to this channel. Thank you very much for watching.